everyone, welcome back. In today's video I'll show you how to play Golden by K-Pop Demon Hunters on the keyboard. I'm first going to show you how the song sounds all the way through, and then I will play each individual verse and we'll go through it line by line. This ended up being a very long video, so I've actually split it into two parts. So the part one that you're watching now is going to be verse 1, pre-chorus, chorus, post-chorus, and then if you want to keep learning, I'm going to link part 2 in the description box, which is going to be verse 2, pre-chorus 2, chorus 2, and the outro. So if you want to hear how the whole song sounds all the way through, keep watching, and then we'll learn those first 4 verses. So before the melody starts, we're playing this one line over 7 times, and it's just... It's A, B, B, C, B, A, G. Again, that is... And you play it 7 times. The next line is... So we're moving it down to G, A, B, B, G, A, B, B, D. Again, that is... And then the next line is... We're playing G, G, A, D, G, G, The next line is playing G, A, B, B, G, A, B, B, D, G, G, A. And then the next line we're going up to F sharp, so we're playing F sharp, E, F sharp, F sharp, E, F sharp, E, E, D. The next line is it's D, A, 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 D, D, A, A, A. The next line is G, A, 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 B. The next line is which is D, D, A, 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 D, D, A, 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 B. And the final line of verse 1 is which is D, A, 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 G, F sharp, F sharp, and then E, D, E, E, E. So that is verse 1. Let's play it again. The next part to play is the pre-chorus. This is how it sounds. So for the first line of the pre-chorus, we're going to play playing E, G, C, B, D, G, E, D. The next line is F sharp, A, D, C, B. The next line is F sharp, E, G, C, B, D, G, E. And the final line is D, F sharp, A, and then up to middle D. So that is the pre-chorus. Let's play it again. The next part to learn is the chorus. This is how it sounds. first line of the chorus, we're going to play we're playing B, B, E, 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 B, B, D, D, A. The next line is which is just D, 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 C, 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 B, played twice. The next line is A, B, G, E, E, G. The next line is F sharp, E, D, D, A. The next line we've already played. It's just the D 4 times, C 3 times, B. That is the chorus. Let's play it again. After the chorus, we're moving on to the post-chorus. This is how it sounds. So for the first line, we're going to play which is A, B, G, E, G, C, B, D, F sharp, E, D. The next line is G, B, A, F sharp, G. So we're on the lower G and then we end on the higher G. The next line is F sharp, E, G, C, B, back down to D, F sharp and up to higher E. And the final line of the post-chorus is D, G, B, up to higher A, F sharp, G. So that is the post-chorus. Let's play it again. So if you want to keep learning, verse 2 is going to be linked at the very top of the description box. But otherwise, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.